How to create a calendar event in Outlook. Got meetings to plan? Outlook makes scheduling events super easy. Learn how to add reminders, invite attendees, and keep your day perfectly organized right inside your calendar. Firstly, over here in the Outlook option, look for the calendar option. Over here, you can see option of more app. Click on it. Over here, you can see at the top calendar. Tap on it. Here you can see the meeting is at this meeting agenda, and then over here you can see how many times does it repeat, for what time, how much time, and there you can see the option of more option. Here you can add the description and tap on save as well. And then over here you can see in person or location. Here you can turn it on or off. Share for location, you can go to Google Maps and then copy and then paste it. Here you can see the option of private, make it private or public. Here you'll have a meeting in Zoom. You can create a calendar Outlook.